So we have Mr. Atul over here, who is a member of ASIRT. Would like to hear from him how has been his journey with ASIRT. Hello, sir. How are you?
Not better than you.
I'm feeling great. So this is, I think, my fourth or fifth event I'm hosting with ASIRT, and they invite me every time. So now I also feel like I'm a member of ASIRT.
You are.
Thank you so much. So how long you have been part of ASIRT?
So I guess 7, 8 years probably.
Okay, that's such a long time. So how this platform has benefited you in your professional and personal lives?
So I'm a firm believer of a Gujarati saying called "Jenu kam tenu thai, bija kare so gota khaye." And I was never into hardware, and I was always into solutions and services. I think when I joined Assert, I realized that collaborating with other members will help me because I was scared of dealing in hardware and creating a solution for the customers. It helped me to work with the members over here when they want to pitch some solution to their customers, and their customers used to see them as a hardware vendor. But with the collaboration, the perspective changed.
Now you can offer more products and services in your line,
Absolutely,
and they can also do the same
absolutely,
with your help.
absolutely. I think we have worked. I mean, I've been always working with few members before joining Assert. So Kshitish is the one who actually introduced me to
This
Assert,
platform.
this platform, and I think I should thank the founder members of Assert to even think of such an idea.
And
Because
working on it consistently for
absolutely,
so many years
absolutely, absolutely.
and
It's
making
their
it happen.
dedication, their hard work, which has led to such a great success. We can see a lot of people are benefiting, a lot of members are benefiting. We are adding members every month almost. So hopefully we will, I guess we all will work together, or we are rather working together. Not we will, but we are working together, and everybody will win. So it's basically win-win situation for everybody, even
That's
for the customer as well.
That's true because one customer can get all the solutions under one umbrella at the same time. You can also get benefit, and the other members of ASIRT can also benefit. So it's
Yeah.
win-win-win for everybody, be it you, the other partners, even the clients. Great. It was great talking to you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your time.
Thank you.